Hello and welcome to this step-by-step course on building a professional Shopify store using the Shrine theme. If you be ever felt overwhelmed trying to create a Shopify store or struggled with setting up and customize a theme properly, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this course, I will walk you through the entire process of building a beautiful, high converting Shopify store from scratch using the Shrine theme. We'll start with the basic, installing the theme, understanding its structure, and learning how to set it up correctly. Then we'll move on the customization. I will show you exactly how to edit each section, add your own branding, and make your store look unique and professional without needing any coding knowledge. This course is designed to make the whole process as simple and beginner friendly as possible. I will explain everything in a clear and practical way so you can follow along and build your store with confidence. So by the way, by the end of this course, you will have a fully customized Shopify store that not only looks great but is also ready to launch and start making sales. Whether you are starting a new business or revamping an existing one, this course will help you bring your vision to life using the power of the Shrine theme. So let's dive in and start building your dream Shopify store.